In this tutorial, I'll show you how to work around filtering issues with merged cells in Google Sheets so your data stays usable and organized. Start by enabling filters in your sheet. Click anywhere inside your data, then click the filter icon in the toolbar. This adds drop-down filters to your columns. Now here's the problem. When cells are merged, Google Sheets only keeps the value in the top cell and treats the rest as empty. That's why normal filtering often doesn't work properly with merged cells. Instead of filtering by values, use a simple workaround. Click the filter drop-down in the column, then choose Filter by Color. If your merged cells have a background color, select that color. This will instantly show only those merged sections. If you want to hide the merged headers and focus on actual data, use Filter by Color again and select the regular cell color, like white. This trick works because Google Sheets can detect formatting like color even when it struggles with merged cell values. For a better long-term solution, try avoiding merged cells in datasets meant for filtering. Keeping each row independent makes sorting and filtering much more reliable. That's it. You now know how to handle filtering with merged cells and avoid the common issues that come with them.